We have seen a staggering growth of the segment, driven by predominantly three factors: sustainability, then comes the media attention towards the product, then comes the product diversity that's being offered by the segment. Now, when you have such a level of exorbitant growth, we see a domino effect in the world of processing. We see a lot of innovation, a lot of investment going into the processing side by the manufacturer. Then when it comes to retail, we see a lot of adoption by having a broader range of product to make it more affordable, to give more choices to the consumers. And finally, you see a lot of traction in the food service as well. Overall, when you see a segment percolated so deep into all areas of the supply chain, you see innovation coming in the forefront. And when we talk about innovation, we mean innovation in the processing, we mean innovation in the communication, and lastly and most importantly, innovation in the packaging. SIG is uniquely positioned in the market to empower, to facilitate our customers' journey, our customers' venture in these complex market environment. We have a wide range of packaging portfolio that covers that meets the sustainability need, that meets the need of flexibility, scalability, and differentiation in the market, and we possess the knowledge that needs to be strongly positioned in the plant-based segment.